Want to update your Netflix password? Maybe someone else knows it, or you want better security. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to change your Netflix password right from your phone. So let's begin. First up, on your iPhone, open the Netflix app. Tap any profile. Tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Now tap the three-line icon in the top right. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. On the account page, locate the security section and tap on Password. Now this is the Change Password page. You'll need to enter your current password here. Then your new password will be written here. And then you have to re-enter the new password once again to confirm it. Before saving the new password, check if there's a box like Sign Out All Devices. Tick that box if you suspect someone else is using your account without permission. This logs out anyone currently using the account with the old password. After that, if you tap the Save button, it will confirm the password change. I'll not tap the button since I don't want to change my password, but that's basically how you do it. And that's it. You just changed your Netflix password using your iPhone, and you've taken the extra step to sign out anyone else who might be using your account. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Netflix tips and fixes. And I'll see you in the next video.